Great with the virtual screen. Hi, everyone. Do you have to repay your COVID benefits? That's a question we've been getting a lot lately. So, welcome. It's Tax Tip Tuesday with me, Christine Walters, on February 8th. I'm going to try and talk slower so that I don't have the urge to cough. Anyway, so it's important when those little brown envelopes from CRA arrive in the mail to open them and deal with them quickly. So recently, CRA started notifying people who collected COVID benefits in 2020. So 2 years later, they're coming back to catch those people. So they're notifying people who collected COVID benefits but might not have met the eligibility requirements when they applied for those. So if you didn't meet the eligibility requirements, you may have to repay some or all of the benefits. So this round of notifications is specifically targeting people who, from the CRA's perspective and records, looks like they maybe earned more than that $1,000 maximum per month during a period when they were collecting COVID benefits. So if you received one of these letters, it's important to know that CRA has said it will work with people on flexible repayment plans, possibly with no interest, depending on your circumstances. But they also warn that taxpayers need to be proactive. Taxpayers need to be proactive and reach out to CRA to make arrangements. Otherwise, those that don't respond to the government will be dealt with more harshly. So to give you an example and a gentle reminder, if you're set up to receive an income tax refund or any other benefits by direct deposit, CRA already has that first piece of information they need to seize your bank account and collect the money back from you. So if you received one of these letters, you have about 45 days to contact CRA. And if you're in a financial position where repayment is going to cause you hardship and you need to make a payment arrangement, please know that as part of that process of going through a payment arrangement, you will be required to provide proof of your household income and expenses before CRA will agree and enter into a payment arrangement for you or with you. So all in all, make sure that you watch out for those brown envelopes from CRA. It is always best to deal with them sooner rather than later. Dismissing them usually causes more surprises down the road and likely some hefty penalties. So if you have an accountant can help manage these situations with you. This is another reason why having an independent tax professional working with you can be a huge benefit. Once you've signed a consent form allowing us to talk to CRA, we can provide documents, and negotiate on your behalf with CRA as a neutral third party, reducing your anxiety and your stress. And it's a lot easier for us to go to CRA and say, no, that doesn't work for the taxpayer, than for you to try and convince them while you're all upset on the phone and all of that good stuff. So it just helps make the process a little bit easier, less stressful overall, and get to the desired result sooner rather than later. So I hope you enjoyed this week's Tax Tip Tuesday with me, Christine Walters. Come back next week for another tip, and I hope you enjoy the rest of this week.